Hey guys, Sarah Berry, CPA out of Texarkana, Texas. I just want to make a quick little video to share with you guys the most recent IRS scam technique that I just found out about. This is actually not a client of mine, but it was shared in a CPA mastermind group that I'm in. This letter here was received in the mail by a taxpayer, which is actually pretty slick on the IRS scammers part. You know, we have told our clients for years that the IRS is not going to call you demanding money. The IRS is not going to email you demanding money. Their first point of contact is they're going to send you a letter. And the letter is going to look really similar to this right here. You can see right here, the address is coming from the Austin Processing Center, and guess what? There is an Austin IRS location. However, whoever received it, they probably sent it to their CPA, and their CPA did some investigation on it. And you can pull up Google here, and you can just type in Austin IRS Processing Center address, and it's going to tell you what the processing center address is. And see here, that is different than the address that's listed on this notice. So that was their first clue that this looked like it is from a scammer. The number listed here to call was incorrect. So that was another clue that this is a scam. To me, one thing that I would notice right off the bat is this client actually under examination for their tax return for 2015? If they're not under examination, then they receive this notice and they should know automatically that is incorrect. The most obvious thing is make your check payable to the IRS. Guys, whenever you're paying the IRS, you're actually writing the check to United States Treasury. Now, if you write the check to IRS, the United States Treasury is going to cash it. But in every correspondence with the IRS, they are going to tell you to make the check payable to United States Treasury, not the IRS. So whoever received this notice, they sent it to their CPA. Their CPA took a look at it and realized that it is incorrect. But these scammers are getting slicker with their techniques. And one reason why is because the amount is so low, $325. You know, some people, you get penalties for filing your taxes late. In a small amount like that, you think, you know what, it's easier for me to just pay the amount, not have to send it to my CPA to investigate. Obviously, if it was $10,000, everyone would send it to their CPA. But $325, that's not bad. I'm just going to go ahead and take care of that myself. And they pay it. And they follow the instructions. And they're out the money. They're not going to get it back. So I just want to share with you guys the latest technique. As always, if you are a client of mine and you get an IRS notice, send that over to us so that we can investigate it. And chances are it may be correct and you may owe the money, but we can verify that so you're not paying money out to scammers or even to the IRS making a mistake. Sometimes we see notices like that. Thanks.